you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a stupid, you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Good morning, happy Thursday. Yep, it's Thursday. Happy Thursday. So today I have work. It's currently 7:50 and I have to log in like now, but I just want to pop in and say hi and welcome to the vlog. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys later. So I just got off the meeting and I am going to prepare this chicken for lunch. I have 3 tenderloins in here and I'm just gonna bread them and then fry it and make the sauce. So I am planning to make garlic parmesan tenderloins. And I don't have crispy fry anymore, which is just a mix of for breaded chicken. So I need to make my own. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have an egg. And I am just gonna mix all of these seasonings and fry it. Oof. So this is now our breaded chicken. It doesn't look really good, but you know what? It's okay. So while our chicken is frying, I am gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So I'm only gonna use 3 ingredients for the sauce, which I was watching Simply Raise's vlog and she made this and I was like, that looks good. So it's only butter, Parmesan, cheese, and garlic powder. That's it. So I'm gonna try it and see how it will turn out. I believe I've tried it back then, but it was okay. So I want to see if I can try it again and if I can make it better. So yeah, let's make it.
something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't.
I am gonna try it. So excited. Ooh, it's actually crispy as well. It's gonna be really hot. Mm. It's actually really good. I'm not even lying.
On pizza, they just don't belong.
Yay! We got Logan's nightstand. What? What's the size? Is it queen? But it doesn't have the drawers that we. We are done. So we just got meatballs, gravy, and the nightstand. We are now back home from IKEA. What are you doing? So we are gonna build the nightstand. Or Logan will. I'm gonna take a shower. We actually did really good. We didn't get tempted about buying more stuff for the apartment.
I said no.
No, I said no.
No, I said no.
We both said no. Okay, what'd you make? It's done. Da 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 da.